Hello, welcome to Angel Garden Hotel. May I help you?
Yes, hello. Good morning. I am Sabrina. This is my first time in Indonesia. I have a reservation.
Wonderful, Miss Sabrina. Let me find your booking. Okay. Miss Sabrina, you're living with us for 3 nights, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Good morning, ma'am. May I help you with your luggage?
Oh, thank you so very much. Okay, Miss Sabrina, we're going to bring you back cups. Please enjoy the cup of tea. This is the special welcome drink in our hotel.
Oh, thank you. This is very tired from Tokyo to Indonesia. I am quite very long time.
Miss Sabrina, if you want any help, you can call receptionist and correct.
Oh, thank you for your kindness in that.
The SWAT hospital means to us and making you feel like home we confine you from home.
I will remember this hotel. It's very good.
Okay, thank you, Miss Sabrina.
This way to your room, ma'am. And if you need anything, translation, or even umbrella, just ask me.